Hello everyone, today we are going to explain the present simple. We use the present simple to talk about facts that are always true, actions that happen regularly, things that are generally true and don't change often, timetabled events, especially in transportation or programs, verbs that describe a state rather than an action, such as love, hate, etc. When giving instructions or directions. When telling stories or making a commentary. In affirmative form, we use the subject plus verb. Example, I like music. And in the third person singular, we add s to the verb. Example, she likes music. Here are some verbs conjugated in the present simple. Verb to play. I play. You play. He plays. She plays. It plays. We play. You play. They play. Verb to eat. I eat. You eat. He eats. She eats. It eats. We eat. You eat. They eat. Verb to go. I go. You go. He goes. She goes. It goes. We go. You go. They go. Verb to read. I read. You read. He reads. She reads. It reads. We read. You read. They read. Verb to work. I work. You work. He works. She works. It works. We work. You work. They work. In negative form, we use the subject plus the auxiliary don't, plus the verb. And in the third person singular, we use the auxiliary doesn't, plus the verb. An example with verb to like. I don't like. You don't like. He doesn't like. She doesn't like. It doesn't like. We don't like. They don't like. Example with the verb to eat. I don't eat. You don't eat. He doesn't eat. She doesn't eat. It doesn't eat. We don't eat. They don't eat. For the question form, we use the auxiliary do, plus the subject plus the verb. And for the third person singular, he is she and it, we use the auxiliary does. For example, do you like music? Does she go to school? Do we know each other? Does he work? Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is useful for you to understand the present simple. Don't forget to subscribe.